Here we are in Westlake Village. We just completed another beautiful job. This is a double swing motor. Let me open it for you so you can see how it goes. Really nice, quiet. These are made all out of aluminum, powder coated here in Canoga Park, USA. This door also has a self-closing, which is on a 20-second timer, but I'm going to go ahead and close it manually here. There it goes, closing. There it is. Can't get better than that. Another beautiful project from Mulholland Security. Thank you for watching.